Dear fellow recruiters, so here, what is that we are going to understand is job posting techniques. All right. What we generally do whenever we get a job, we copy that from the email and we go to Dice, Monster, Career Builder, or any free sites and we post it. Right. That is what we do, and that is what thousand other recruiters do. So why do you think the candidates do not reply to your position though you have mentioned everything in there? Because we are not different than other recruiters out there. Though you have experience, though you are having a very good client, though you are having a hold with the hiring manager, but still that is only possible when you are able to submit a candidate. To have it, you need to get a candidate, and to get a candidate, you need to have a job description in such a way that the candidate will be pulled to you and the person will start inquiring about the job. So, are you ready to know what are the techniques that you should be using?